Today, I'm here to explain about this question. Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y equal f of x at x equal negative 2. If f of negative 2 equals 3, and there's a missing here, f prime of negative 2 is 2. So let's work on this question. So first of all, you have to understand what you have to find. According to this article, you have to find the equation of tangent line to the curve y equal f of x. And at x equal negative 2, so this means for now you don't know what the graph looks like. I don't know, let me just put it randomly. So if the graph is like that, you have to find the equation of the tangent line. I mean here. Oops. Let me change the color. You have to find the equation of this red linear line. Okay. So let's work on it. First of all, it's tangent line. So tangent line means it's always linear. And linear line is always like this form, where f of x equal ax plus b. So the degree is just 1. It's always like that. It cannot be ax squared plus 2x plus 3 or something. It cannot be like squared. It's always the highest degree is just 1. So it's the equation. So what you have to do is find the value of a and b. You know what's the a value? Okay, let me just give you an example. If it's, for example, y equal 2x, can you sketch the graph? The graph is going to be like this, and this 2 means if you go 1 right, you go up 2. 1 and 2. This means 2. So actually, this value means the slope of the graph. So here, the slope of the graph is going to be a. So let's find it. And there's a hint here. F prime of negative 2 is 2. And the meaning of derivative is, it means derivative. Derivative is finding the slope of the point. So actually it shows the slope here. I mean tangent slope. So this 2 is going to be a here. So f of x is 2x plus b. Okay. So like I mentioned, a value is always the slope of the line. And this f prime of negative 2 means the slope here, tangent slope here. So you can just use this number as a. So then you have to find b. So b is the value, b is the y value, which crosses the graph and y-axis. So for example, if the graph is y equal 2x plus 1, this graph has a crossing here. So this value will correspond. Okay. But in this case, you have no clue to find the value here. So let's use this one. According to this sentence, f of negative 2 is 3. So let's just use this one. F of negative 2 is 3. So you can just plug in negative 2 here. F of negative 2 is 2 times negative 2 plus b is equal to 3. So negative 4 plus b equals 3. So b equal actually 7. So now you got the function. You can just plug in 7 into here. So the answer is f of x is equal to 2x plus 7. That's it. It's actually simple, isn't it? So let's find the other equation. So let me write the question. Find the equation tangent line again, curve. Okay, next one is y equal x squared negative 6x at the point 4 negative x. It might be a little bit tricky, but what you have to do is almost same as the last question. Again, you have to find the tangent line, so it's going to be y equal ax plus b. Okay, then you want to find the slope first. To find the slope, you need the derivative of y, y prime. Do you remember how to find y prime? You can use power rule. For example, if it's x squared, it's going to be the derivative of x squared is going to be 2x, and the derivative of, for example, 3x cubed is going to be 3 times 3x squared. Yeah, if you're not sure about power rule, please just watch my previous video. I explained about it. And so in this case, the derivative of x squared is 2x, and derivative of this one is negative 6. Yeah. Now you find the function of derivative, but you actually want to find the slope of this point for negative 8. So you plug in 4 into here because it's just the equation of the derivative. So you never know which point it is. So you have to specify the point. Then actually the x value is here. So you plug in 4 into here, which is y prime equal 2 times 4 negative 6, 8 negative 6. Then the answer is 2. So now you got a value is 2. Okay, so what I did is just try to find the derivative first. They want to find the slope at when x equals 4. So you plug in 4 into x here, then you found the slope. Then the equation is y equal 2x plus b. Then you want to find b next, because y, x, you don't need to find it. So, and one more hint is here. This has a point at 4 negative 8. So you can just plug in this number here. 4, 8, it passes on 4 negative 8. Negative 8 is 2 times 4 plus b. b equal negative 16. So now we got the answer. Y equal 2x negative 16. That's it. So again, what you have to do is it's a slope. You have to find the equation of the tangent slope, tangent line. So you're going to use this function, y equal x plus b. And first, yeah, it's whatever. You can just start from whatever you like. But it's easier to find a first. The slope of the line. Then in this question, you want to find the slope at the point of here for negative 8. If you want to find the graph, you want to find, I don't know, just let me write it just randomly. You want to find the slope here. Oops. Here. Okay. So the value. So first you just try to find the derivative of this function. Then like I mentioned, you really want the slope, tangent slope here. So you just plug in 4 into here. Then you found the slope. Then next time, you got slope. So what you have to find out is only b. So you can just plug in this number into the function, because you already know this graph, this line passes on this point. So you can just plug in a negative 8 and 4, and you can find b. And this is the answer. Okay, so what you have to find is just a and